Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 10th standard. Today I will discuss about methods of safe disposal. This is the second part of methods of safe disposal. First part, this is under the waste management chapter. So first part I have discussed about two methods, that is segregation and dumping methods. Today I will discuss about, that is, composting. Composting. So first see, that is, what is composting? Composting is a waste disposal technique where biodegradable waste is decomposed by microbes and the waste is converted into manure. Heaps of leaves, grass, sewage converts into compost, which forms the topsoil. This topsoil capable for giving good crops. You know that soils are divided into two parts, that is topsoil and subsoil. Topsoil is more fertile, subsoil less fertile. So it gives that the topsoil. Compost is produced by action of microbes on organic matter. Microbes degrade carbonic material into simpler substances in moist, warm and aerobic environment. So now see, compost can be prepared how many ways? It can be prepared into two ways. Number one, aerobic composting, and another one, anaerobic composting. So first let's see what is aerobic composting. And aerobic composting, the waste requires mixing and aeration to create conditions for decomposition. And if sufficient aeration is not available, then it gives out bad smell, bad odor. Then second is that anaerobic composting. In anaerobic composting, the decomposable waste is converted into soil conditioners and the material obtained does not produce any bad odor, means bad smell, and can be added to the land to enhance the soil quality. Anaerobic composting process receives greater attention. Why? Because number one, do not require any aeration or mixing. Number two, they are free from bad odor, means smell everywhere, this bad smell is also not going, and produce biogas as a byproduct. And biogas is a very important, nowadays. So it is it produces biogas as a byproduct. Biogas consists of 55% methane and 45% carbon dioxide, and this gas may utilize for heating, for cooking, so many other purposes also. So types of microorganisms that help the process of composting, that is bacteria, fungi, etc. And fungi start working in the first week of dumping and break down, while the bacteria work throughout these processes. So now let's see what are the advantages of the composting. Advantages, number one, we can say it enhances water retention capacity of soil and need for irrigation. Whatever the irrigation is needed, that one need for irrigation is also reduced. Number two, that it reduces the plants' diseases. Number three, we can say that it increases the soil fertility. Number four, it helps to prevent soil pollution. And after that, it checks the soil erosion and silting also. and at last we can say that the less use of fertilizers and pesticides also reduces the cost. Now let's come another very important point, that is vermicomposting. What is vermicomposting? The decomposition of organic waste by earthworms is known as vermicomposting. Earthworms play the role of aerator and mixture, degrader and stimulator also. All these processes are altogether called vermicomposting. So I have discussed here only that the composting, and another method is also there, that is drainage. The drainage means is not there in our part this time, but I am saying in short that drainage. Drainage, everybody you know, that is removal of surface or underground undersurface water from a certain area is defined as drainage. That one you know. So the drainage of an area has to prepare so that the waste can be discarded safely and easily. So residential area should have good drainage system, otherwise root logging will occur and give rise to epidemics. Anyway, small scale drainage is often practiced by farmers to dispose of the agriculture whatever the slurry or excess water. This system can check the soil erosion and sanitization of soil. So I'm completing my video up to this and the methods of safe disposal. So hope that it will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone.